to another video. Made it down into LA, meeting with the homie Arion. We're about to watch my GTR right now. This GTR is always dirty. I swear, I don't know why, but my car is always dirty. You guys know me though, I drive so much, so I think that's why my car is always dirty. And then now the black paint, now that we took the wrap off, the black paint doesn't help. Keeping a black car clean is impossible, bro. Look at this, I don't even know what it is. Literally just got it detailed in the last vlog too, if you guys remember that. But literally the next day after detailing it, it rained, just with my luck. But anyways, we're gonna get the GTR all washed. We got Arion over here, watching his GTR. Ape?
What up?
You're done?
No, spraying the wheels.
Sheesh. Hi.
What's up, Jay?
Hi, brother.
What up? I'm here in LA again, huh?
I live here now.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
Congrats, bro.
Can I sleep on your couch tonight?
What happened?
Can I sleep on your couch tonight?
Sure.
I've been just sleeping on people's couches. Alright, well, I don't feel like washing my car, so you know what? Are you ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna wash my car today. Because I hate washing cars. This is why David's always washing my car. Come on, let me my car.
Let me pay.
Huh? You gonna pay for it too? Sheesh. You're paying for it? Oh my god, look at the Porsche. Oh, it's a Porsche shop. What the heck? Alright, you ready?
I don't know.
You don't know how? Okay, you just spray with that. That's pretty much all I do. I don't scrub it, nothing.
I just take it out?
Yeah, you just pull it out.
Spray it?
And you spray it.
How close?
Hold on. Okay, so hold on to it tight, okay? Because squeeze it like that. It's fine, go.
Wait, I press that and do it?
Yeah, go. There you go. And you can go over the whole car. I don't use the sponges or anything because that shit will scratch the paint. So all I do is just wet it with this soap.
On the window too?
Everything. Everything. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's strong. It's strong. Your tires or no?
Everything. The tires, the exhaust.
Your car on.
Oh no, this is gonna be a bad car wash, huh? What? Why are you scared?
I don't know.
It's not scary.
Oh my god.
What?
This thing is in the way.
Yeah, the hose gets in the way. Just like this, like. Everything.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Don't be. Yes, everything. Bro, she has, on the tires, on the hood, on the windows, everything. Everything has been washed. She's for sure never washed a car before. What? That?
Yeah.
No, scratch my paint really, really bad.
Oh, now what?
That's the rule number one
What?
of car guys. Do not use that. But sometimes I'll use it on my story for like a meme, and people get so mad when I put this. She used the brush on my car.
Oh wait, I didn't even know what you were saying. Why did you use the brush?
Bro, she did it.
Clean it. He told me that I could do it.
Alright, people that paint.
Can she do yours with the brush?
No brush on mine.
So I literally just spray it with soap and then spray it with water. I don't even rub it, nothing like that. Don't want to scratch my paint. What do you guys think? You think she's doing a good job? I don't know. I don't know, we'll see. Once it's clean.
The hose is hot.
That also scratches the paint too.
Oh my god. We're gonna run out of time because it's 46 seconds left.
You have 40 seconds, hurry.
Oh my god, stop.
No, you really got 40 seconds. 30 seconds. What? Alright, cue the cinematic right now. the wing. Imagine it was really glossy. Oh. It looks good glossy, like carbon. A lot of people want me to clear coat mine if I put it back on. It does look good. But it's supposed to be satin carbon, as you guys can see. But the glossy looks good when it's wet. Damn, Arion's car is so much nicer than mine, bro. My car is so messed up right here. Like the exhaust tips are all ugly. This is all burnt. It's because I shoot crazy flames. And it burned my stuff. Even right here, my shit is burnt, dude. I forget that I have carbon right here. But mine's all ugly. But yeah, as you guys can see, my exhaust tips are all burnt. But shout out to Valtronic, because they sent me new tips. I just gotta put them on. They're actually in the car.
Hell yeah.
The bumper's burnt from all the flames I shoot. I need to stop shooting flames. Damn.
Oh, holy shit, bro.
Bro, are they really that big? There's no way.
Yeah.
Those are some big ass exhaust tips. But like they're gonna look so much better brand new.
Shout out to Valtronic. We really appreciate you sending out these tips to us.
Now send me an exhaust.
No.
But yeah, we gotta throw these on because it's gonna look so much better with brand new exhaust tips. Shout out to Valtronic for sending me those because these are burnt. These look ugly.
What?
It's not even dry.
Yeah, I mean if you...
I gotta go hop on the freeway right now.
Yeah, second gear pull going.
The colors are sick with the blue wheels. Sheesh. You like the wing or no?
I don't know, I like yours.
Sick. You like my trunk?
I
or you like
love
that?
yours. I like yours.
You like his car better?
No, I like yours better.
Damn, Ariana. Guys, imagine seeing two GTRs driving like this. I would freak out. It's crazy because I still get excited for GTRs. Even though I have my own, I still get excited. Oh my god, you just drifted the GTR. Alright, now we made it to this rooftop. And Ariana wants to fly his drone. This could end bad. Bro, have you ever flown it before?
Yeah.
Damn.
There you go.
I've been wanting to buy a drone, guys. Maybe step up the vlog content. I don't know. I don't know what we can really use a drone for, but I don't know. We'll see. You can send me this footage?
Yeah.
So we'll put it in the vlog? Alright, you guys will see. You'll see us crash. Oh, look, you can see my tattoos. Oh, yeah, that car wash did not help. Honestly, it needs a real detail again, dude. How is my car always dirty? It's just impossible to keep black cars clean. No way this thing's falling out too. You know how many of these I bought, guys? And these things are not cheap. I think for the pair, like 50 bucks. And I bought so many for these stupid little lights that keep falling off. Is that what it's from? Are these loose? Yours are loose too. What if this shit chops our head off? You really know how to fly it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Damn, G. Sounds like a big ass bee. Damn, the cars look good though. Look at that. All right, whatever drone shots we get, I'll put them in right now. Bro, that shit looks crazy. Oh, don't be scared. Go over there.
Oh man. Did I fucking hit someone?
Then we'll run.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.